One non-governmental organisation wey dem dey call Boy Child Support Network for Port Harcourt don call on parents and government from all levels to give equal attention to boy and girl child. The group come talk say the society don dey too focus on the female child pass the male child and say dis kind attention wey dem dey give to only the girl child no go help the society as the boy child too need attention. After one training for Port Harcourt, the organizer of the group come talk say all the plenty wahala wey the society dey face na because dem neglect male child and say adequate training of male child go stop different katakata for the society wey include rape and drug addiction, and say programs like this one dey help train the mind of male children to make dem dey useful to the society.
The boy child need all the attention in the world because over the years the girls have been given attention. The society is female-centric. The boy child has been neglected. That is one of the reasons why we have a lot of problems in the society. We are saying that the same attention you are giving to the girl child, give that equal attention to the boy child to safeguard the society. If the boy is trained, the girls are safe. Parents will no longer spend much money trying to protect the girl child, because if we have cultured boys in the society, we have the streets safe. We will not be having rape issues, we will not be having drug abuse. Crime will reduce naturally if the boy child is groomed. The information that the boy child is given have a way of affecting or determining his reasoning. But if it's not given that proper information, you see him misbehave.
Other ogbonge persons wey tanda for this training come chook mouth on why the society need to pay attention to the boy child as them they give the girl child.
And the truth is simple. The world has presented the girl child as most vulnerable. But we forget the fact that if we do so much for the girl child, she still ends up marrying the boy child who was not attended to. And then all of the violence we think we're escaping will end up getting them in their marriages, in their relationships and all that. I think that children generally require more attention in this generation. They need more leadership focus. They need all the support they can get to receive proper building for society. Discriminating or paying more attention to one sex, in my opinion, is wrong.
At a certain age, he gets to independence. And it is best that when he gets to the age where he should be independent, he has skills that he needs to survive in the society. But if you do not train the boy child properly, by the time he gets to the age where he is supposed to be independent, he has no skill. He's going to easily resort to violence, and he's going to make the society in which we all live in a place that is unbearable for us. So it's best to raise the boy child properly by giving them skills, because the skills are the tools you need to thrive in the society.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Port Harcourt, Kata Ojesoli, TMC TV News.